JStor is a comprehensive database holding more than 12 million resources in 75 disciplines. JStor also includes ArtStore, a digital library of millions of images. For a basic search, type in one or more keywords in the search box. If you use more than one keyword, the database searches for sources that include all those words. From the results page, you can refine your search using drop-down menus on the left-hand column. More sophisticated searches can be created either from the home page or from the initial results page by clicking on Advanced Search. From this screen, you can use Boolean logic and other techniques to create a detailed search. The most popular criteria for these are available in drop-down menus for fields and for filters, or you can use special commands in the search boxes. A help screen is accessible from the results page with technical help as well as help refining your searches. The advanced search commands are detailed in the tutorial and help pages.